We don't have the car even starts up. I still work in a full-time job. MPV, multi-purpose vehicle. Okay, Bismillah, what's going on guys, and welcome to another video with Stig. And today is something really different. Right now you can see I'm not driving a normal car, I'm actually driving a different car, a car that we just acquired. We don't have the car even starts up. We're on Bismillah. And we started. Right, we'll check all the fluids, we'll check everything, and then we'll be on our way to get to the yard. So let's bounce. So let me tell you guys, some of you may know that this is the month of Ramadan.
First of all, I want to thank God. I want to say Bismillah.
So the whole point of Ramadan is to devote yourself to Islam and just get more closer to the Almighty, and that's probably one of the biggest reasons to why we keep 30-day fast in the month of Ramadan. There are also other obligatory acts that we do in the month of Ramadan. That's obviously you do your 5 daily compulsory prayers, and you do charity, and you do your righteous good deeds, and basically self-reflection and make changes, so you basically become a different person at the end of the 30 days. It could be as simple as stopping your bad habits or reducing the amount of sins that you commit. For me, for instance, it could be saying less bad words, or doing something that could be a minor sin in the eyes of me, but trying to reduce every sort of bad actions that we do and just becoming a better person, really. So charity is one of the biggest acts to do in the month of Ramadan, which a lot of people do, and in Islam, and it's prescribed to do as much charity as possible that you can. So we've thought of an idea for the channel that we will be buying a car and giving it away to a family that would need it. There's also like a narration that we as a belief that we should sacrifice our own needs to fulfill another person's needs. So for example, you know, I've got a car, you know, praise be to Almighty, like I'm good, but I want to give back to the community. We should be giving back to the community. So I want to sacrifice my own needs to fulfill another person's need. So that's what the teachings are of Islam, and that's what we're trying to do. This is, to me, I feel like it's one of the best charity actions that I can do. Let me just put my foot down a bit. So it's the action that we wanted to do, and it's one of the best charities that we could do involved with cars. Not only we should like when we do a good act of charity, we should also remember that we shouldn't be doing it to show off, because showing off, it basically just ruins your good deed. So the reason why I'm actually, like, you know, documenting this is to let everybody that's watching this be involved in the part of this good act of charity. So like anybody out there that wants to be involved in this car that we've just acquired, to give it to a family that needs a car, you guys can be involved. You know, you could just, you know, as little as just telling me what to do with the car, what mods to do with the car, washing the car, or if there's people out there that would like to be a part of detailing the car, or sending in some products for the car, or doing anything for the car. Like I said, this is a collective charity work, and the more people that gets involved in this, the good deeds get spread to everybody. So it's a good action, and you know, I just feel like this is probably the best thing to do, you know, for charity, to do with cars. I just want to give back to the community. For those of you that you may know that this channel is monetized now, so we're actually getting paid, and the money that we've made so far is, I'll be honest, it's probably like a few £100, and this car that we've just acquired is it's not expensive, but it's a couple of more £100, and all that money we've used to buy this car. I still work in a full-time job. The YouTube money is from you guys. Like, I would have not got paid from YouTube if it was for you guys. So that's why I want to give back to the community. Oh, look at Lexus. Oh my god, it's boosted. Whoa, I need to boost our Lexus now. We've just drove, we just parked up, we made it back to the HQ, and this is the charity car. Mazda 5 Ferrano. Let's do a bit of walk around. Hopefully the wind doesn't block the mic. I know it's a big problem with the wind with this mic, but we have got a muff, but we just haven't bought it today. Anyways, let's get to a chase. This is the project giveaway. This 7-seater is the most practical thing to give to somebody that needs a car, because we wanted to get something to help our whole family, and the best thing we can think of is a family car. So this is what we've got. This is the 7-seater MPV multi-purpose vehicle. I didn't even know what an MPV meant till we done a bit of research, but here it is. You know, it's got a fantastic colour. Loving those rims, looks absolutely sick. I actually don't know why the purple colour, but you know what, I quite like it. It brings a quirky look to the car, and which is probably one of the reasons what we might do to the car. We might modify it in a quirky way, which is we were going to ask for you guys. If there's anybody out there that would like to recommend or would like to be part of the charity giveaway in, like, you know, throwing some mods in the car, or even like, you know, doing a detail on the car, or as simple as even somebody that knows how to repair this in the door. This is the damage, so it's a salvage car. This is the only damage, there's no other damage on the car, but the car drives fine inside and out. There's no problems whatsoever mechanically. It's just a passenger rear door, nothing else. Probably that bit as well, so that might need a bit of pushing out. This could be repaired. Not so much about a brand new door, but I do believe this can be repaired. But like I said, if we don't find anybody, I do have a spray man that we always regularly go that he can repair it. Right, so moving back to forward, I was supposed to say this at first, but big shout to DW plates. You know, I know it says hood stick there. It's 2007. It's just it's a nice car. You know, it's just over a shy of 100,000 on the mileage, and the car just looks immaculate. You know, I've never had a 7-seater car before, but it is amazing. You know, it actually changed my mind. I didn't think in a 7-seater car would be so enjoyable to drive, so comfortable to drive, and nippy as well. It's a 2-litre this is. So let's get to the back of the rear of the car. You know, I like the rear tailgate lights. You know, it looks sick. That's what it was. A Ferrano, if I'm pronouncing it right. You know, Mazda 5. So it's got rear tints already, so that's a big help on the car. But you know, sick. Let's move. You know, open the boot in the car. You can knock this down, that seat down, and it becomes like a massive storage space. Seats here, it's got the car does need a bit of a clean. There is a lot of mess in the car. Okay, we've got some tools in here. This is actually my first time looking at the boot of the car. I haven't really inspected the car myself, but yeah, apart from that, you know, it's a sick car. Look, rear seats, it's got drink holders. You know, it's pretty sick. It's got speakers at the back as well. Sliding doors. Check it out. Ain't that sick? It's got, you know, you got a dinner table for the kids to sit down and have their dinner and drinks. I was hoping some mods to put on there, probably like iPads on there, or you know, anything on there, some lights in the roof, some Rolls Royce lights to make it like for the kids to like be like, whoa, this is such a sick minibus. So yeah, so that's the middle seats. Seats are looking pretty well in the car. They're literally not that bad, to be honest. I see why they went with the purple rims, because the purple outlines on the mats. But apart from that, yeah, small little compartment there. So this car's got everything, even the driver's seat. Move forward. Right here, got compartments here. Got the wheel locking nut. It's got a second one, 2 drink holders. I like the layout of the car. It's a 5-speed. But yeah, this is it. This is the car in itself. Let's open the bonnet. Let's see how the car is. The car drives immaculate inside and out. Right, and this is it. So this is a 2 litre. I actually don't know the brake horsepower yet. I don't know the weight of the car. I don't know too much about the car because I'm not really into the performance side of the car. But we will do a first drive of the car and everything about the car. But we'll talk about that in another video. But right now, this is just a reveal of the project giveaway car. If anybody does know this car or familiar with this car and who the previous owner was, I'd really appreciate if you can contact me on Instagram or the email in the description, because it would be good for the new family to have this car, to have a bit of service history on the car or information about the car. There's only one key, there's a second key that comes with the car. This is it, project giveaway. If you want to be involved, you know, Instagram is right here, Hoodstig, email right here. You know, drop a DM and just let me know what you guys want to do, or like I said, if you want to be involved in this charity giveaway. By the way, I am looking to do a lot of charity events and charity deeds with this car. You guys can drop a comment down below or DM me right here or email me to let me know what you'd recommend to do, probably like a road trip challenge or a 24-hour challenge, or like I said, feel free. I am more than happy to do anything what you guys recommend. Again, it's all got to be charity. It's not going to be crazy, it's got to be sensible. But like I said, a few ideas are like probably 24-hour challenge in the car, a road trip, and that's what we're going to be using the car for. Not just a project giveaway, but to do charity work within the car and every other day that comes by. So it's got 7 seats, so there's a chance to do a lot of things and a lot of videos. You guys drop a comment down below, DM me on Instagram or email, and let me know what ideas you have for this, to do whatever charity good deed we could possibly do with this car. So yeah, so that's it really. So if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed watching this, drop a thumbs up and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. May the Almighty drop peace and blessings upon each and every one of you and your family, and for those that are celebrating Ramadan, may the Almighty put peace and blessings and barakah in your whole family, and happy Ramadan, and I'll see you guys in the next video.